How to make your first $1,000. Most of you guys want to make $1,000 online. Maybe you didn't make any money online. So I'm going to explain you step by step how can you make your $1,000. The number one thing why mostly people fail because of confusion. Some people are making $1,000 from trading. Some people are making $1,000 from drop shipping, and some people are making money from affiliate marketing. Same goes to all business models. Basically, you are confused in different business models. You want to make money online, but you are confused whether you should start trading, drop shipping, affiliate marketing, Amazon FBA. The number one confusion is choosing business model. Why this thing happens? Because you might have a FOMO that people are making money online and you are doing 9 to 5 job, and you also need to make extra money. But the number one thing why mostly people fail because they don't even start. Why they don't start? Because of confusion. Because they don't even know which business model we need to choose. Number one thing, the most important thing is clarity. You should have clarity in your business. I don't want you guys to do this dumb mistake. You are giving 1 month to trading and expecting to make money online. Then you started giving 2 months to Amazon FBA, and then you are expecting that I will be starting making money online. Then again you started with Shopify. First of all, you need clarity. What do you want to do in your life? Which business model you want to choose? Number one priority should be the clarity. If you don't have clarity, you will not able to make money online. After getting clarity, the second thing is niche. The niche means category. There are three broader niche in any online business. Whatever business model you are choosing, there will be only three broad niches: health, wealth, relationship. There can be many things under health category: weight loss, weight gain, bodybuilding. Someone is selling ebook, someone selling coaching program, weight loss program. Same under wealth: crypto, drop shipping, digital marketing, real estate, stocks, affiliate marketing, and anything related to online business. Third one is relationship niche, in which divorce, move up plan, attract love course plan, personality development course. These are the niches. After getting the clarity which business model you need to choose, you need to choose the category, in which category you want to go. Always choose that category in which you are interested in and in which you want to learn and enhance your knowledge. I cannot go to health category because I don't even have experience of bodybuilding, weight gain or weight loss. But I have experience in crypto, drop shipping, digital marketing, stocks, affiliate marketing, online business. That's why my niche is wealth niche. If I'm choosing this niche, this category, it doesn't mean you will be going to choose the same one. You might have different category. Maybe you might be selling insurance. First of all, you need to choose your niche and category. Then third one is relationship. You will be noticing a lot of people who are giving advice on relationship move up plan. This is what one thing you need to know after getting the clarity. The niche should be clear. Third thing is your offer. So there are three types of offer. There are three offers: low ticket, mid ticket, high ticket. So in low ticket, you are providing service which is do it by yourself. It can be ebook. So you can sell at the price of $7 to $10 this low ticket product. Second one is mid ticket offer. So in mid ticket offer, it is do it with you. So it can be coaching program, it can be challenge, it can be workshop, seminar, video course, because you are doing with them. If you are in health niche, you might be providing coaching calls, weekly coaching audits about the diet plan. And if you are in finance industry, you might be providing coaching regarding finances. For example, I provide coaching regarding how can you start your online business or how can you scale your online business. So you can charge $497 to $997 in mid-ticket product, which is do it with you. Last but not the least is done for you, where you charge $3,000 to $10,000. In this, you are doing everything for the client and the client effort is 5% and your effort is 95%. Here client effort is 50% and your effort is also 50%. You are giving instruction, but here you are doing everything for the client. Maybe cooking meal, delivering diet plan, taking care of the client, all the responsibility in order to achieve any goal they want. You can have three offers: low ticket, mid ticket, high ticket. In order to make $1,000, you can have four kind of offers. If you are a beginner, I will definitely recommending you start with mid ticket, $100 to $500, and you can start with $1,000 offer as well. Now you might understand the whole concept, what to sell, what kind of niche I need to target. You can start with affiliate marketing, means promoting someone else offer and getting 50% commission. You are not creating this ecosystem because you are a beginner, you don't have any experience. However, you can be affiliate of that and earn 50% commission. If you want to make $1,000, you can promote two products, and if you get 50% commission, you will make $500 per sale, and then you can make $1,000. I have a step-by-step ebook which is in the description. Get that ebook and read about it. How can you start your online business? And then you can also start your business with $100 of investment. If you can invest $100 to $1,000, you can easily start any business. 10% will take only action, 90% will keep on watching the videos. I just want to help those 10% people. So make sure follow me. Number one thing, subscribe to my YouTube channel and just get the free ebook. Wish you all the very best. If you have any question, you can ask me. I will be answering you. All the very best. Take care.